Alrighty guys, check it out. We got this GMC. We're going to be doing a couple of things to this truck here. So the customer has a few little issues that we're going to be taking care of. I'm just going to go over everything really quick. First of all, we're going to replace the cab lights. These are the amber ones. He wants the white ones. He got the Recon. We're going to replace them. He's also got some side mirror lights. But take a look at this one here. It's got a pretty good missing chunk, and then the glass is broken. So we're gonna see if we can get just this cover for him. Maybe this, if it is available. I mean, this really, it's just a slight scratch, so it's nothing major. Also, his step stopped working on this side, so we're gonna see what it could be. We're also replacing the windshield. It does have a pretty good crack, so we're just gonna do quite a few things on this one here, so stay tuned guys. Alrighty guys, check it out. We are replacing the windshield on this GMC. We're doing a couple of things here. Right now, just finishing up the windshield. We're cutting all the extra adhesive off. Gotta be real careful here. Cut all that out. And we're going to install the new windshield. Check out the new windshield. We intended it for him with our ceramic film. Here's the old one. Check out the old one right here now. He had like a 55. He wanted to go a little bit darker, so we went darker. Hit me up for any of your automotive auto glass needs. D's Garage, baby.